Conversations around the malaria vaccine have recently generated lots of interest in Nigeria, and it is also the crux of the discussions at this conference in Abuja.
Some of our partners
To set the tone for the conversations, a survey report on how some Nigerians respond to symptoms of malaria is presented.
What we thought was critical to also identify here is people's practices when they have symptoms of malaria. We did ask a question asking people if they can identify the symptoms of malaria, and they were able to do that. And then we went on to ask them what do they do when they have malaria. And it's of particular concern that only 41% of those that we spoke to said that they will go to the hospital.
The survey reveals that only 41% of people who develop malaria symptoms visit the hospital, 22% rather go to a medicine shop, 21% consult a pharmacist, while 11% use herbs. On April 17 this year, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, gave provisional approval for the use of the R21 malaria vaccine in Nigeria. While some hope that the vaccine will be the game changer, recent studies have shown that it is not a silver bullet.
Various research also have shown that the effectiveness of the vaccine is approximately 60%, but it significantly wanes over time, even with a booster dose. And what we know now is that the protection is for about 12 months.
Currently, the R21 malaria vaccine is unavailable in Nigeria. When the earliest expected doses arrive, they will be deployed for further clinical trial.
We are going to have our own follow-up trials, a phase 4 trial. The protocol should be ready anytime from now. I think the deadline was or is middle of August. So those doses really are going to be used for that trial, because we also need to validate the data. In terms of receipt of the doses, I don't think they've arrived yet because the protocol is yet to be approved.
According to the World Malaria Report, Nigeria accounts for 31% of the 619,000 deaths recorded globally from the disease in 2022. However, recent studies on the R21 malaria vaccine have shown that it is over 60% effective and can give protection against the disease for up to 12 months. Hence, some medical experts are optimistic that when fully deployed for public use, the vaccine will help to reduce the number of fatalities recorded each year from the disease.